How to block apps on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block apps on Facebook PC easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go here to the top, click on settings and privacy, click here on settings and click on blocking option. Now after you click on blocking, all what you have to do is click here to block apps. Click here and here add to blocked list and type the name of an app and it's gonna be blocked. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.